What's up, fam? It's askpRoy. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing with you all my self-care routine. Self-care is any intentional practice or activity you do to maintain your physical, mental, or emotional health. It is so essential that I take time for myself. My favorite superfruit right now is the acai berry, so you'll be seeing a lot of that in this video. Here are some of the things that I love to include in my self-care routine. This concludes my self-care routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, there is only one you, so make sure you take care of yourself, always. What do you do in your self-care routine? Why don't you leave that in the comment section below? Until next time, fam, thanks for watching and peace.